Ako po si Muhammad Ali Abinal.
Muhammad
Ali Abu Abinal. Former Mayor ng Municipality of Marantao. Marantao. Lanao Sur. Willing ako pumunta dito. Suportahan ko yung programa na mahal na presidente na si Rodrigo Duterte at si PNP General Bato. Basta lahat ng suporta namin, willing kami. Inamin namin noong 2000, 2001, 2002 na nakasama kami sa droga. Thank you.
Ako po si Mamaulan Abinal Mulok.
Ano po, sir?
Mamaulan Abinal Mulok, Mayor of Maging Lanao del Sur. Pumunta ako dito dahil willing na ako sumuporta sa programa ng pinakamamahal natin Pangulo si Rodrigo Duterte at saka si General Bato. Sa lahat ng abot makakaya ko, itutulong ko sa pagsupo ng droga. Yan lang po.
Sir, current mayor po, sir, ano po yung mensahe niyo sa mga taga-Maging?
Yung mga taga-Maging, kung mayroon mang hindi nakasulinder, gagawin ko na pasulinderin hanggang makakaya ko. Gawin ko lahat.
Okay, we will have the final statement coming from the Chief PNP.
The incumbent mayor of Maging, Lanao del Sur, Mayor Mamaulan Abinal Mulok. And the other one is former Mayor Muhammad Ali Abu Abinal of Marantao, Lanao del Sur, who is the husband of the incumbent mayor of the same municipality. They voluntarily surrendered to me personally because they received the information that they are in the watch list of the president. They are included in the 23 mayors who are linked into the drug trade. That's all. Number one, their involvement in the drug trade in their municipality, their previous involvement. Because according to them, right now, they are no longer involved. But before, they had been involved. And number two, they promised to me that they will spearhead the anti-drug campaign. They will be the ones leading the war against drugs in their respective municipalities. Yeah. No. After this, I will be turning them over to the director sa IDG for them to be to get their statements and whatever that we will be able to extract from them for future reference. Because they came over to voluntarily surrender, so we will subject them to some sort of custodial investigation. They told me that actually they were not involved in the distribution of drugs in their municipalities. Right, Mayor? Yung involvement nila is nasa labas. Labas ng municipality nila. Diba? Oh, like Quiapo area in Manila and the other parts of the Philippines. So sa kanila daw bayan, hindi sila nagdi-distribute. Dahil yun nga, mga mayor naman nga sila doon sa lugar nila. Ibang lugar. Mamaya, malaman natin pag irarank yan sila doon sa IDG. Kung depende sa revelation nila, malalaman natin yung ranking nila. But one thing for sure, they are the downline of the so-called Marimar. Yung, Marimar, di ba? Marimar. Yung nahuli ngayon, di ba? Nahuli sa Cagayan de Oro. Yung, mayor ba siya dati? Yung former mayor of Maging. Marimar Makabuat. Sila yung downline. Kumbaga, nasa baba sila. Nasa taas nila si Marimar.
Ano bali nitong admission nila na they were formerly involved in illegal drugs trade? So, are we going to use it against them? Filing charges against them eventually?
Hintayin natin yung magiging resulta ng custodial investigation na gagawin ng CIDG. Malalaman natin yan. Anyway, they promise to cooperate wholeheartedly. So, hintayin na lang natin.
Even including those people na involved pa rin sa illegal drugs in their area, possible police protectors?
Yeah, ilalahad nila lahat. Lahat ng nalalaman nila, ilalahad nila sa CIDG. Because they should come clean before they lead the war against drugs in their municipality. So, gusto man lang malinis yung lugar nila. So, magtutulungan tayo.
Pwede ba natin silang tanongin why they came out, went to you, and bakit sila nagtanong?
Yeah, because they receive an information that they are in the watch list of the president. They are included in the 23 mayors who are involved in the drug trade.
Sir, I'm just wondering, kasi kanina sabi niyo kayo mismo wala kayong listahan pa nito 27, and yet nakakarating na sa mga LGUs kung gumamit ng information. How come it happened?
Di ba, sabi ko, binasa na ni Presidente doon sa isang cabinet meeting, baka somebody text them doon sa cabinet o may nag-advise sa kanila. O baka naramdaman talaga nila na nasa listahan sila. So, the voluntarily surrender.
Maybe, sir.
Maybe, yeah.
Sir, aside from that, sir, meron bang nagpayag ng interest na susuko na rin sila, sir, o harap sila through vote or whatever from PNP?
We are waiting for other mayors, especially from Lanao Sur. Merong coming na, ano? Isa pa? Isa pa? Monday, meron pang isa. Isang mayor ng...
Budi Pusok.
Ha?
Budi Pusok.
Budi Pusok. Bundong. Meron daw pupunta pa dito. So, we welcome them. But sorry, I can no longer offer the White House. Tama na yun. Ha? Depende nga sa resulta ng custodial investigation na gagawin ng CIDG. From here, they will go to CIDG para kukunan ng statements.
Chief, after that, malaya sila makakauwi. After this sa CIDG, malaya sila makakauwi.
Kung wala talagang warrant, anong magagawa natin? Hindi natin sila ma-hold. We have no legal hold to... I-check pa namin. Kaya nga po, idadalhin sa IDG para yung database ng CIDG, malaman natin kung nandun sila.
Pero initially, may nabanggit na ba sila kung saan nila rin? O saan yung source nila?
Kay Marimar nga. Marimar. Yung...
Sir, now, are they willing to undergo drug test? Willing ba sila?
Willing? Willing daw sila. Kasi wala pang lawyer, ha? Baka mamaya pag may lawyer na, ayaw na naman. Kasi kahapon, yung Mayor Espinosa, willing siya na magpa-drug test. Ngayon, dumating yung lawyer niya, ayaw na niya. Pero kayo, kahit na may lawyer, willing kayo. Anytime. Sige. Yes, in fact, dapat tatlo ito sila ngayon. May isa pang mayor na late lang, baka na-traffic. At sabi, baka Lunes na daw isa pa.
Meron siya nasa Guadalupe na, sir. Sangki ang patuan. On the way na, sir.
Oh, meron pa daw. Nasa Guadalupe na daw. Pumunta dito. Ha? Ha? Mamaya na, pagdating na dito, baka mamaya pagdating dito, ayaw... Ha? Maguindanao? Maguindanao. Sa Maguindanao, province of Maguindanao, nagkagaling.
Sir, pwede patanong yung mga mayor kung bakit po sumuko sila, nagamit yung public entities na pwede silang tumakas, bakit pwede po ba namin silang matanong kung bakit? Naisipan po nilang sumuko.
Sinabi na sa akin is they're already decided na magbagong buhay at tumulong sa problema sa droga. So, why run if you can help? Yun ang sabi ko sa, why run if you can help? Gusto lang tumulong eh. They're responsible people right now because they're already mayors. Mga mayors na sa kanilang munisipyo. So, tumulong na sila.
Sir, sinasabi nga po involvement nila from before. Hindi po naman sila malalagay sa watchlist kung wala sila.
Talagang involved sila. Kaya nga sila nag-surrender eh. Di ba? Inaamin naman nila.
Sir, paano po yung involvement nila? Sabi niyo hindi sa municipalities nila. Paano sir involvement nila sa drug trade sa Maguindanao?
They get the supply from Marimar. Then, after that, they will be distributed into other places. Like Quiapo nga, sinasabi ko. Quiapo at saka anong ibang lugar, Mayor? Cavite. Quiapo, Cavite. Ikaw, Mayor. Saan pa ibang? Yun lang, gano'n din. Quiapo, ha? Aloha?
Caloocan.
Ha?
Caloocan.
Aloha?
Caloocan.
Like Quiapo, Cavite, Caloocan. That's according to them. Doon ang distribution na. Doon sila nag-apply na kailang trade. Not really on their, in their municipality.